So let's say you have presets that you want to go ahead and import into Adobe Media Encoder. So to do that, around over here in the preset, you can go around over here onto, let's say for example, the import preset section from the preset browser. Click on it and then simply go ahead and select out the presets that you want to import right here. Simply select out the files right here and click on open, and the preset is imported just like this, as you can see. So you got my copy right here, which was already there, and then you got two presets right here. If I were to actually go around over here and import out presets again right here, you can see that another copy of the same presets are actually made. If I were to go around onto preset settings, you can actually go ahead and make the changes as you like to the preset, because these are custom presets itself. And that is how you can go ahead and import out presets as necessary inside of Adobe Media Encoder. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.